Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex PureSpa 6-person hot tub with LED light and a 3-pack of Type S1 cartridges. After a long day of work, relax and indulge yourself in the Intex PureSpa portable hot tub. With the touch of a button, activate the 170 soothing bubble jets that surround the interior of the spa, and you can adjust the temperature that best suits your comfort level. Tilt your head back and let it relax on the inflated headrests. This package will also include a 3-pack of Intex PureSpa Type S1 pool filter cartridges, 6 filters total, and Intex PureSpa battery LED light for bubble. Product benefits. Pampering yourself is easy with the soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience. Built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin, clothes, and the entire spa system. Intex PureSpa battery-powered multicolored LED light. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.